Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're reviewing ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is one of the most recognized names in the VPN industry, known for its strong emphasis on privacy, ease of use, and ability to bypass geo-restrictions in 2025. Despite increasing competition and some internal changes, ExpressVPN remains a top-tier option, but not without some drawbacks. Here's a closer look on how it performs today. It has global servers, over 3,000 plus servers It has global servers of 3,000 plus servers in over 94 countries. It is fast, secure, and open sourced, now rebuilt in Rust with post-quantum encryption. You get RAM-only servers that wipe data with every reboot and no logs policy, independently audit multiple times for transparency. It works with Netflix, Disney+, BBC iPlayer, Hulu, and more, and it blocks trackers, ads, and malicious sites. You have also the password manager, which is included with the subscription and routes some apps through the VPN and others through normal internet. Up to 8 simultaneous connections, and it has a user-friendly app available on Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, Linux routers, and smart TVs, which is a very extended variety of apps availability. But coming to the drawbacks, it starts at $8.32 a month, more expensive than rivals like Surfshark and NordVPN. Also limited device connection of maximum of 8 simultaneous connections. No multi-hop or onion routing. Lacks more advanced privacy features, and issues with speed drops and customer support have emerged on forums like Reddit. It's all owned by Cape Technologies. Concerns remain about parent company's past practices. So ExpressVPN continues to be a strong choice in 2025, offering fast speeds, exceptional security, and excellent streaming support. It's ideal for users who value privacy and simplicity and who are willing to pay for a premium product. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.